So in this video, I'm going to go over this LED spotlight, basically in high intensity searchlights, what they're calling it here. Now this has the red and blue lenses that you can also put on here. It's got a mobile phone charging port on it. It's great for kind of like lighting around a campsite, doing any type of repair, maybe on a vehicle or something like that, or patrolling. It'd be a great little affordable patrolling light. And then let's just open it up. I've already had this thing out and used it. You get a little owner's manual here. Kind of goes over the model a little bit. It's 10,000 milliamp battery. It's got USV C charging. Charging time's around about 4 hours, and light time's about 30 hours on low. So 10 to 30 hours, depending on how much you want to do. And it is IP6 waterproofing here. Here's the lenses on these things. I don't think I need these lenses right here. It's not something that I would use. You get a red, you guys can see that, a yellow, and a blue. So you get those different types of lenses. If you get a lanyard, then the lanyard runs right through here on the hand on it. The charger is a USB C charger, but it also doubles as a phone charger right there. So to work this thing, you really, it's got a rubber casing right there on the front. That's really cool. And it has this little like holder right there if you want to hang it up or kind of like set it. See how I can kind of set it like that. So that kind of works where if I want to point it, adjust at different angles, that's a very handy feature to have on that too. So it has this little side light right here that works it really well. I was really impressed with this little side light. So to turn the side light on, you'll pretty much hit the button right there. I'll show some footage of using this thing in the backyard and how bright it is. I think it's one of the brighter lights that I've used throughout the, you know what, I'd like to, shine one on that little dog over there barking, but everybody, I use this in my backyard and kind of like show you how nice this thing lights up. It's got a range of probably, 1,000 yards on it, and I'll show the side light in action too. This is something I recommend for anyone that's just looking for an affordable LED spotlight. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, LED searchlight. See you all in the next video.